everyone, it's Hannah from the Magic for Less Travel, and I'm here to show you how to make a quick service mobile order straight from your My Disney Experience app. Here I am on my Disney Experience homepage, and the first button I want to press is the plus button at the very bottom of the screen. Whenever I do that, it's going to show me 4 different options, and I want to click on the Order Food button. That's going to take me to every single quick service that's available for me to order from right now. This is sorted by park. So first it shows me all the Magic Kingdom options, then Epcot, then Hollywood Studios, then Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, and then it goes resort by resort. I am currently at Disney's Riviera Resort, so I want to pick Primo Piatto. Now, it shows my first time that's available is from now to 11:30 a.m. If I wanted to select a time that was later in the day, I could select more times right next to the first time slot and use my finger to scroll left to right to see all the different time slots that are available during this day. I want to order for right now, so I'm going to select the very first time slot. When I do that, it's going to take me to the ordering menu, and I can click See All Categories to see every single part of the menu. So I don't have to keep scrolling. I can select whatever topic I want to order. So if I want to go to Hearth-Baked Pizzas, I can select that, and then all the images stay at the very top of the screen. So again, using my finger to slide left to right, I can select whichever topic I want. If I want a specialty coffee, I would click on that picture, and it would take me right to that part of the menu. I want a hot sandwich first, so I'm going to select the bacon cheddar burger. And if everything looks great and I like the very first side they offer, I can click the blue add button right now. I want to customize my order a little bit. I want to get the side salad instead of the French fries, and I can click the very bottom part to customize my selection to make sure that I want lettuce and tomato included, what temperature I would like my burger cooked at, whether I would like cheese included or not, and they also offer a dessert selection that I can add to my order or say no thank you. Everything looks great now, so I'm going to click that blue add button, and this has been added to my order. Now I can scroll again at the very top all the way over to Kids Meals and select one of those options. Now, with every kids meal, you always get 2 sides and a drink. So I can select my first side, my second side, and then any of these drinks that they would like. Whenever I'm done with that, I can click that blue add button just like I did for my adult meal. And if I'd like to add a beverage for my adult meal, I can go straight to beverages, scroll through, or if I want, I could go to specialty coffee and add one of those. And again, that blue add button is at the exact same place for every single thing you're ordering. And every single time you add something, the blue View My Order button will pop up right at the bottom of the screen just to make sure whether you're ready or not. You can click that and view everything you have added, or you can click the blue shopping bag at the very top of your screen. I'm going to click View My Order. I can see everything that I've ordered, and I can also see the modifications I've made. So with my bacon cheeseburger, I can see that I changed the temperature of the meat to medium well, and my side is the side salad. With my kids' cheese pizza, I can see the 2 different kinds of sides that I did, as well as the drink. And if everything looks great, I can go to Review Order Summary. But if it doesn't look great, I can click Modify Order. And right there, I can either edit any of the items and it would take me right back to that item page. Everything looks great, so I'm going to click the blue Update button. Or if I didn't want something, I could delete it and it would be gone right there. Everything looks great now, so I'm going to Review My Order Summary. And it shows me my time slot is from now to 11:35. I don't have any promo codes, and I'm going to continue to checkout. And when I get there, if I wanted to, I could click Add Card, and I could add a Disney gift card, a Disney dining card, or a Disney Rewards redemption card. So it shows you a few different types of payment methods that you can add. I'm going to use my card on file, click Purchase. And right now I have three different options. I'm here, prepare my order, change arrival window, or cancel order. So unless you have clicked the I'm here, prepare my order, you can cancel your order at any time. They have not started to prepare your food. Say that my plans have changed and I'm going to the parks a little earlier than I thought. I can just click cancel order right now, and it will confirm that my order has been canceled and that I do not have to do anything else. And it's just as simple as that. I hope all of you were able to follow along and see just how easy it is to make a quick service mobile order. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Magic for Less travel agent. They'll be happy to walk you through it. Bye, friends, and have a magical day.